This is the Moose Mug String Art Kit tutorial by String Art by Kaylee. To make this board, you will need to order a string art kit from my String Art Kit tutorial group. It will come with a bundle of yarn in your choice of color, wording in your choice of color as well. You will also need a pair of scissors and a straight edge such as a squeegee. The very first thing we'll do is take a picture of our board. We are going to remove this paper so all of our lines will disappear. That picture will be your reference. Taking the organza bag with the yarn bundle inside, go ahead and pull that and the two cards out. One is a business card and one is the QR code. Hopefully it is what brought you to this video. With the yarn bundle in hand, go ahead and grab that strand wrapped around the middle and pull to unwind. With that same strand, we will do a loop up in the air. This is how I like to start my knot. You'll take that loop and tuck it onto any one of the nails on the board. Throughout this entire process, we want to make sure we're pushing that yarn all the way down to the base of the nails. And then I like to go ahead and outline the design so we can see exactly what we're going to fill in. This bottom part of the mug is pretty easy to see, but you might need to use that picture that you took for up here in the antlers. Once you have your outline, you can go and start filling in. There's not a certain way that you have to do this. You can go in a pattern, you can jump all over the place. The point is just to fill it in. And like I previously mentioned, make sure you're pushing that yarn all the way down as you go. We'll be doing multiple layers, so it will fill up the height of the nails. Just make sure your layers are in all different directions to help fill in all the gaps. Fill up this design as much or as little as you want. A lot of string art, you do still see the board through the yarn layers, but I like to fill it in completely. That is totally up to you. This is your art piece. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to when I'm finished filling in. Once you are satisfied with how full it is, I go ahead and add another outline to the design. This will give it just a nice clean look. And this outline will be at the top of your layers. Once you get back to your starting point on the outline, we will go ahead and tie off. I like to cut the yarn a little bit longer, and I make that same loop as before. Tuck that loop onto one of the nails and pull it tight. And then I will trim this end to about 1/2 inch and use the scissors to tuck it in between the layers to help hold the knot. String art part of this board is now finished. We'll go ahead and add the words. Taking the vinyl, I will turn it upside down and grab my straight edge or squeegee, and I will run it across the back. This will help the letters stick to the transfer tape. Keeping it upside down, slowly pull that backing off of the transfer tape. Do it slow to make sure that the letters don't pull up and rip. Then flip it over, find your positioning, and once it looks good, you go ahead and take your squeegee again and scrape it along the transfer tape to get the letters to stick to the board. Once it seems pretty secure, you're going to go ahead and pull that transfer tape off. I like to do it against the squeegee so it's still pushing the letters down as you're pulling the tape up. And we now have a finished Moose Mug string art sign. If you guys like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.